Good morning, guys. This morning we're going to do marbled planets for art. So I don't have marbles today, so I'm using some tools from my kitchen. So you guys can choose anything you like as long as it's shaped like a planet, like it's spherical or it's a ball. So if it can roll in your box, it's a good thing to use. Marbles work really well because they're heavy, so they roll really fast. I've put paint throughout my whole painting, and I'm hoping that these guys will catch the paint and spread it. And I'm thinking that this will give me an interesting pattern since it's not a full ball, since it has gaps in its lines. So this is going to be our planets. I cut out a couple planets and a moon. You can cut out circles however you want, but when you're done drawing your circles, I suggest you don't cut them out until after you've painted them. So you need a box, some spheres like balls or marbles or other tools in your house, and you need paint on your paper. So let's see what happens. So we're just gonna roll it around back and forth. This might not be as entertaining as the marbles. And then when you're done, it's gonna leave a really cool pattern. So I'll come back to you guys after I've put a little more paint on my paper. Hey guys, this is my finished product with the marble. I used the two kitchen tools that I had earlier. I also added an apple so I could get some bigger streaks. Like I said, I have no toys or balls at my house, so I had to improvise with some other round objects. But I'm about to cut them out and I'll show you the background that you can make for some really cool planets. Hey guys, this is the watercolor background I made for our planets. If you remember our first art video, I taught you how to use a light colored crayon. I used yellow this time. You can use white. Any color will work, but a light color works better because then it shows through really well on watercolor. So I drew all the stars, shooting stars, and distant planets with crayon, and then you have to press really hard to make sure the wax gets on there. And then I took black watercolor and just swept it across the whole piece, and that's the background for our space planets. So here is my tiniest planet, and I'm just gonna glue these on later. They're still drying, so I'm gonna wait. And you can kind of place these however you want. So for today on the planets, you needed ideally finger paint, marbles, or other spheres. And remember, you cut those out after you paint them in the box. And then for the background, you will use watercolor and crayons. I hope you guys have a great day. I miss you, and I'll see you on Thursday for our Zoom. Bye.